Meaning of deserving.
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 Deserving. The word deserving refers to being worthy of something, typically in terms of reward or recognition. A person who is deserving has demonstrated qualities or actions that make them worthy of a particular outcome. The term implies that the individual has put in the necessary effort, shown good behavior, or achieved notable accomplishments. Being deserving often implies that an individual has earned something through their hard work, dedication, and merit. Overall, to be deserving means to have earned or rightfully deserved a particular outcome or reward based on one's actions or qualities.